Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about why can't I add my debit credit cards to my PayPal account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the main issue is that your card is already linked to another PayPal account, and PayPal doesn't allow the same card to be linked to multiple accounts. Now, to fix this is unlink it from the other PayPal account or use a different card. Right, the second problem, card recently removed. So if you recently remove the card, there may be a temporary block on re-adding it. So the fix is to wait 24 to 48 hours and try again. Card was declined by issuer. So if your bank may have flagged the transaction as suspicious, to fix this, contact your bank to approve PayPal transactions and try again. Card type not accepted. So some prepaid or international cards aren't accepted in PayPal. So a fix for this, use a major credit debit card like Visa, MasterCard, Discover or American Express. Mismatched info. So the name, address on the card must match your PayPal account info. To fix this, double check your card details and billing address. Exceeded card limit. So you might have hit your card's limit for PayPal use. To fix this, just simply contact your bank or try a different card. There could be some technical or browser issues as well. So browser problems or PayPal glitches can prevent linking. So fix this, clear your browser cache or cookies, try a different browser or device, and make sure your PayPal account is also verified. Alright, so your account has limitations. So PayPal may have flagged or limited your account. To fix this, log into PayPal and check for notifications or any unresolved issues.